All right, let's open up the Donruss Mega Box. 24.25. It's got 150 cards. 150 cards. It's quite a stack. Oh, damn. Well, lucky I've got about 40 minutes to burn. We can rip some packs. See if we're hunting, see if we can get some hits. All right. Murray, Collins, Wemby, Steph, Gordon, Edie in the rookie, Tyler Smith in the rookie, Derek Jones Jr. in the green, franchise features, Donovan Mitchell, Rozier, Finney-Smith, Simons, NBA champ, Brunson. Might just skim through these, otherwise I'm going to be here all night long. Cam Spencer, what a run he had, eh? Topic rookie. Jabari Smith Jr. with the green. And Ricochet rookie, the most underwhelming #1 pick of all time. Would that be right? Would he be the most underwhelming #1 pick of all time? Highly likely. George, KCP, Harden, Buddy Hield, Jacoby, De Silva, rookie, Siakam in the green, and Bomb Squad, Anthony Edwards. Not numbered. I don't even know which ones are numbered in this stack. If there is anything numbered, I don't even know. But we will keep on ripping. Oh, I was going to say this one felt like there was a thick card in there, but it's not. Patrick Williams. Holmes, Holland, Banchero with the green, and Dalton Connect. I feel like Dalton Connect's been absolutely shafted. He had a decent roll. Decent roll. He just got pushed down the back of the bench, and I don't even know if he's going to be a long-term NBA player. I could be wrong. Hope I'm wrong. Just goes to show the quality of player that you have to be to actually make an NBA squad is next level. Oh, we've got a rookie something coming up for George. Not numbered, but a shimmer. Olynyk in the green, and Ja Morant, Magicians. Kuminga, looking forward to seeing Kuminga play this season, I think. Trey Murphy. Oh. Kevin McCullough Jr. Khalil Ware. Oh. Ooh. Is this going to be a green, or could it be something else? Damn. Green LeBron. That is nice. Always love hitting a LeBron. And my guy, Matas Buzelis. Surely this year is the year they unleash Buzelis. New coach, Splitter, who I think will make a massive difference to the team. Devin Carter. Antonio Reeves. Jay Crowder in the green. Franchise faves, Kawhi Leonard. Three packs to go. So I know it looks weird with my left hand, but I'm actually right-handed. But when I was young, I broke my thumb, and I haven't been able to use my left hand the same when I was a kid. And I just do a lot of things left-handed now. Dillingham, who's on the Bulls now. Connect. Jalen Green. And another LeBron. Pass the rock. Not numbered, but nice insert. Damn. Always a nice feeling to see a LeBron, especially in an insert. I think from a collector point of view, LeBron is massively underrated. I cannot believe how cheap these rookies, even though they're tens of thousands, I still think they are massively undervalued for the career that he has had. NBA champ, Tyler Kolek, AJ Johnson, Miles Turner with the green, and Tatum. Last pack. Two LeBron hits, but the rest is pretty underwhelming. Stephon Castle. Nice rookie. Messi again. Jordan Poole with the green. And Davis with the bomb squad. That is it.